Hi, I'm David Whyte. I'm a research engineer here at SensorTech. SensorTech's involved in the online analysis of milk components, things like fat, protein, things that detect mastitis, things like white blood cells, measurement of that. That's an indicator of animal health. The Greenfields project is a partnership between Dexcel and SensorTech, looking at automated systems, robotic milking systems, and adapting them to the New Zealand style of farming, the pasture-based farming, which is unique in the world. And one of the things that the Greenfields project is showing us is that the farmers in the future are going to be presented with a lot more data, animal health data, animal production data, fat percentage data on the milk. All this data is going to be used by the farmer and it's going to be presented by the farmer. There's a cow ID tag on its ankle, and when the cow walks into the robot, it automatically senses it, starts the process, shuts the gates, so the cow's in the robot. And so the milking robot automatically cleans the teats, and then it uses a laser rangefinder to find out exactly where the teats are, and then individually places each cup onto a teat and milks out the cow. There's a milk sensor there that detects where the milk is flowing. If there's not milk flowing, takes the cup off and then reattaches it because it may have missed the teat completely. And when the cow's finished milking, it individually removes each teat as that quarter empties out. And this is a world first. We're doing research with the robot to see if we can adapt the robot style of milking to a pasture-based system. Literally everywhere else in the world, they keep their cows in barns, and then they feed the grass, they cut the grass, and then they bring it in, turn it into silage, or they bring it directly to the cows in the barns. And so no one's ever managed to, or even looked at, using a robotic system to automatically milk cows that are on pasture. And so between SensorTech and Dexcel have got together to prove that this can work. One of the key issues here is that the cows are being milked 24/7. They are being milked continuously throughout the day. And so we've looked at a number of options, and to get cows to come into the robot, they're currently walking either 200 metres or 450 metres one way on a race system. So that's a fair distance, that's up to 900 metres complete loop. And the cows come in because I'd like to get to new grass, so they're kind of enticed in using a feed-based system. And we see it being very common in the next 10 years that it will be as common as, say, a herringbone or a rotary shed, when we'll actually take this robot and apply it to commercial farms.